I'd like to welcome you to the Philippine Pavilion here in Osaka Expo 2025. China especially is important to us because China is a brother to us. Remember, in our blood flows Chinese blood. For many Filipinos, China has become part of our culture, part of our society, because Chinese cuisine in the Philippines is very popular. It has become part of Filipino culture. So it's important for us that we embrace each other, support each other as brothers. And that's the theme of this pavilion, Woven.
Which one is your favorite Chinese cuisine?
Oh, Xiaolongbao?
Oh, it's from Shanghai.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I really like Xiaolongbao. And not only me, the rest of my brother Filipinos, they also like other cuisines. And some of our traditional Filipino cuisine actually has source from China, like our pancit, which is really noodles. Our pancit, which is a main staple for parties in the Philippines, for merriment and festivities, it has its roots from China. Our view is trade war is not good. We have to have mutual respect. So for our sovereignty, we have to have mutual respect for our respective and distinctive cultures and politics, but we should not focus on the negative things that can create or escalate the chaos or conflict. We have to de-escalate things by focusing on the positive side. It's a very difficult and challenging situation right now for everyone. But as I said, the main emphasis should be hope. Hope that things will turn out for the better, no matter the adversities. Humanity has struggled through several conflicts. We just came out from the pandemic, but we all survived and we all come out. If we work together, we all come out as one humanity. The pandemic is a very good example of how we manage conflicts or adversities as one humanity.